Hi guys! Welcome na naman sa another vlog. Ito ay ang photo vlog. So ngayon guys, ito nyo makita yung iba't ibang mga picture larawan. So ang picture na ito guys ay ang picture namin tatlong magkaibigan. At ito naman guys, ito yung mga picture namin tatlong magkakapatid. Yung lalaki namin kapatid. Yan guys, dalawa kaming babae. So ito guys, yung family picture namin during Mother's Day. Guys, during Father's Day, of course, sineselebrate namin yung Father's Day. Dito naman guys, yung of course, pag nagpipiknik para iwas stress ang family. And guys, nagbanding kami. Ito naman guys, yung mga classmates pa naghugpong. Of course, picture pa more. Charot. Ito naman guys, during IP, of course, ito naman guys, during our performance is fair sa kuting to guys. Ang ganda ng aming guys. So, ito naman, nililibre kami ng aming cousin. Nga na may work na siya sa Davao. Ito naman guys, of course, lumalag pa rin kami guys. So, with my classmate, cousin, and friend, course, picture time. So, guys, ay kumakain ka with my kapatid and my cousin. So, ito guys, yung picture ko nag-model charot during my birthday. Photoshoot siya. Ito ay yung picnic time with my cousin, pinsan, family, char. Ito si Airpad, si mother, hindi magpapatalo. 7-Eleven char. So, ito guys, of course, the beautiful cousin. And also, cousins. Ito naman guys, with my classmates, free ninaon pa. Si me, Sarpo. So, with my ate ma'am nga pretty so much. So, ito guys, kumakain kami, lilibre kami ni ate. So, may simba kami guys. So, with my during in first year era. So, ito naman guys, during our spare day, nag-picture with also this picture with my friend. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe.